All right, so now that you have told me what you already know about dragonflies and what you wonder about dragonflies, we're going to go ahead and read this book. What are dragonflies? Dragonflies are flying insects. They got their name because they look like small winged dragons with big eyes and monstrous jaws. They have long, thin bodies and two pairs of wings. Their bodies can be blue, green, or red. Monstrous. That word is purple. So that usually means when a word is bold or a different color that it is in the glossary. So if I was holding this book in real life, I could go to the back and figure out what monstrous means. But since it's on a computer, I'm going to finish the book and then at the end we'll talk about what all these words mean. What do they look like? Dragonflies have three main parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. The head includes the eyes, mouth, and antenna. Dragonflies use their two large eyes and antenna to locate prey. When they catch their prey, they use the sharp jaws inside their mouths to grind food. Ooh, I'm wondering, what is their prey? The large thorax is filled with muscles used to power the wings. Attached to the thorax are six long legs and two pairs of see-through wings. Dragonflies use their legs for perching and catching food. The dragonfly's abdomen is long, narrow, and often brightly colored. It holds the heart, breathing system, and digestive parts. Males have big claspers at the end of their abdomen, while females have delicate little claws. That's interesting. So the males have big claspers, while the females have delicate little claws. And delicate kind of just means like small or gentle. Awesome. So here is a diagram of a dragonfly. So this is its hind wing. And the word hind usually means like in the back, right? Like Champ, my dog. He has hind legs. Those are his back legs. Okay, this is their forewing, a leg. It's where their eyes are, their head. Oh man, this whole thing is considered the thorax, I think. No, sorry. This right here to here, that's considered the thorax. And then from here to here is their abdomen. Okay, and our abdomens are our tummies. So this is interesting to me that that is called their abdomen. Where do they live? Dragonflies live in most parts of the world where there is water, warm weather, and plenty of food. They live near streams, ponds, rivers, lakes, and even waterfalls. They can also live in rainforests. So my schema right now is remembering that I have a little park right by my house here in Wheat Ridge that has a little tiny stream going through the park, and I see dragonflies there all the time. How long do they live? Most dragonfly nymphs live in the water for a few years while they grow. A few years? That's a really long time. When they mature into adult dragonflies, they live for only a few months. Adult dragonflies are food for the birds and frogs. These predators catch the dragonflies when they are laying eggs or when they are molting. Hello, world. I just came out of my casing. This is still me, but version 2.0. What do they eat? Young dragonflies called nymphs eat larvae of other insects, such as mosquitoes. As they grow bigger, they feed on tadpoles and small fish. On the other hand, adult dragonflies feed on adult insects, such as mosquitoes and butterflies. They eat their victims in flight. So, what that means is they eat while they're flying. Wow, I can't believe dragonflies eat butterflies. I never would have thought that. What do they do? Young dragonflies swim. They swim around water plants to search for food. I also didn't know that. I would love to see a young dragonfly swimming. Adult dragonflies fly. They can fly in a zigzag pattern and they can also fly backward. Dragonflies make sounds. They make rustling sounds when flying. How do they grow? Dragonflies pass through 3 stages in their lives. The stages are the egg, which turns into the nymph, which turns into the adult. And the adult lays more eggs. So I'm wondering this nymph, I'm wondering if that's the phase where they live in the water. Female dragonflies lay eggs in the water or on the stems of plants that grow near the water. The eggs hatch into nymphs after about 4 weeks. The nymphs live in the water. They eat a mosquito larva to grow. They have special jaws that shoot out from their mouths to grab food. That is crazy to me. I would love to see that. Okay, so this picture right here is a female dragonfly laying eggs near the water. And this is a dragonfly nymph, so the stage after the egg. As the nymph grows, it molts or sheds old skin numerous times. Ooh, kind of like a snake. When it is ready to change, it climbs out of the water and onto a stem or rock. It hangs tight and molts for the last time. Its dry skin splits along the back, and a winged adult butterfly pulls out of, not butterfly, a winged adult dragonfly pulls out its body. It is still soft and weak, so it rests while its body becomes dry and hard. Before flying, it shakes and shivers to warm up the muscles in its wings. And here is a picture of a newly emerged adult dragonfly. And then here's another adult dragonfly. That one kind of looks like it's underwater, but I'm not sure if it is. Wow, so look, that must be the skin that it had shed. Ooh, that gives me goosebumps. All right, you guys, is that it? I think that is it. All right, so we just learned so many new things about dragonflies. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go back and you're going to tell me, what did you learn about dragonflies? Okay, I want you to tell me at least 3 things that you learned about dragonflies today.